We will do one thing. We will take the important questions of 11.4 as well. All right. Okay. I'm waiting for others to join. Arhan and Ahmed has not joined yet.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Arham, keep your camera on if it's okay.
Yes, I will.
All right. Okay. Before we move on, let's quickly revise whatever we have discussed in the chapter. All right.
Yes.
Okay. So please do tell me what is the formula required. Let me draw a table here. That will be more convenient. So cubide, cube, cylinder, cubide, cube, cylinder. And do tell me, how do you find the lateral surface area? Okay. Total surface area and volume. Okay. Starting from the first figure. Yeah. What is the lateral surface area? Or
Of
cuboid?
cuboid surface
Mm-hmm.
area, it's 2 into height, L plus B.
2 into height, L plus B. Good. Total surface area?
2 into LB plus BH plus LH.
Good. Volume?
Length into breadth into height.
Good. Okay. Has Arhan joined yet or not?
No.
No. Okay. What about cube?
6L square.
Lateral surface area. Is it 6L square or 4?
4 square.
Yeah. Then 6L square. Then
And A cube. L cube.
A cube, L cube, whatever you take the side as. Then talking about cylinder.
2 pi RH.
Good. 2 pi RH. Then total surface area.
2 pi R plus H.
Good. What about the volume?
Pi R square H.
Pi R square H. Very good. Okay. Anything else left? Also, do
No.
tell me, how do you find the area of 2D shapes, 2D figures? For example, in order to find the area of a parallelogram,
Base into height.
good. What if you were to have a rhombus?
Half into D1 into diagonal 1 into diagonal 2.
Exactly. Half into diagonal 1 into diagonal 2. Very good. Then if you were to have another figure, there were a trapezium as well. How do you find the trapezium's area?
Half into A plus B into height.
A plus B into height. Okay, do tell me, what do you understand by an isosceles trapezium?
In an isosceles triangle, there are 2 equal sides and 1 unequal side.
Okay. The unequal sides are parallel, while the equal sides are non-parallel.
Non-parallel, yes.
2 equal sides which are non-parallel. All right. Now 11.4. See this exercise. See the first question. What does it say? There's a cylindrical tank given.
Yes.
11.4, no? Yeah. So in which case you will be... Yeah.
The 11th question, 11.2.
11.2.
Yes. We are doing the last question.
11.3. I guess that was 11.3. Isn't this exercise 11.3, I guess?
Yes, this is 11.3.
The last question, question number 11. It was of exercise 11.2. We have done that. Okay, is Arhan here? Yeah. So see, these questions were left, like question number, we were at question number 7, I guess, right now?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, please read the question. What does the question says?
Yes.
Assalamualaikum, sir.
Walaikum assalam, Arhan. We are doing from where we left in the previous class. All right, Arhan.
Yes,
Yeah, continue.
Describe how the 2 figures at the right are alike and how they are different. Which box has larger lateral surface area?
This question we have discussed. Question number 6. We found out the lateral surface area of this figure and this figure. Okay.
Yes.
So we have already done that. Question number 7. In this figure, there is a closed cylindrical tank of radius 7 meter and height is 3 meter. Right now.
Hmm.
And it was made from a sheet of metal. How much sheet of metal is required? So can't we
Yeah.
do that? Isn't it easy?
Yes. You have to find the total surface area.
Yes,
Exactly,
sir.
that is easy. Question number 8. The lateral surface area is given here. Right
Hmm.
now. And we know lateral surface
Yes.
area is 2 pi RH here. Right?
Yes.
So it's 4224 square
Hmm.
centimeter. That is given. Now it is cut along its height and form a rectangular sheet of width 33 centimeter. So let me see if there's enough space here. Yeah. Okay, I'm erasing this one. All right.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you are having this cylinder here, and what's the question? In the question, it's given that the lateral surface area is given and the width is given.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Width here is what? It is simply the height now.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Height of the cylinder. So you will spread it out into a form of rectangular sheet. So
Hmm.
this width is already given, that is 33 centimeter.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, and height it is given as 33 centimeter. Width is same as
Yes,
height.
sir.
All right.
Yes.
So what is being asked in the question to find out, Arhan?
Sir,
How
we
much?
have to find the
Mhm.
perimeter.
Find the perimeter of this sheet now. Okay, so
Yes.
Yes,
basically you
sir.
are provided with length, you need to find the length right now.
Hmm.
Okay,
Yes,
please to
sir.
tell me, guys, will the length not be equal to the circumference of this cylinder
Yes. It will be equal.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes,
right
sir.
now? So circumference I already know. Yeah, sorry. It is, you already know it is 2 pi r. Getting it now?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So
Hmm.
2 pi r equals to what, that we need to find it out. Right.
Yes.
So first you
Yes,
will
sir.
know. First you will get radius from here.
Yes.
First you will find out the radius of the cylinder. Now let's solve the question. Shall I solve it or you guys will attempt it first?
We will
Sir.
attempt first.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, give it a try.
Yes.
So from here you will find the radius. Getting it now? Then put the radius in the formula of circumference. Then you will get the answer.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Sir,
okay, do it.
answer in the chat box.
Yeah, answer in the chat box.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
Mhm. The question can be solved if you look carefully at the question now. The question can be solved in two ways. Did you guys notice this? Hmm? Arham
Yes,
and
sir.
Nirhan, pause for a
Yes.
minute. If you were to see here, the total surface area of the hollow cylinder is given here, right now.
Hmm.
Meaning that this
Yes, sir.
lateral or uh, is it lateral or total, guys?
Sir,
Lateral.
lateral.
Yeah, lateral surface area is given 4224 square centimeter. Okay,
Hmm.
and we know it is same as this, no? The area of the rectangular sheet will also be
Yes, sir.
4224 square centimeter.
Yes.
So we know
Yes,
now
sir.
that area of rectangle is length into breadth. Yeah,
Yes.
and it will be same as the lateral surface area of the hollow cylinder, no?
Hmm.
Yeah. So
Yes, sir.
length into breadth is equal to what? 4224 square
224.
centimeter, guys. Okay, and breadth is already
Yes,
given,
sir.
that is 33 now. Length into 33 equals to 4224 square centimeter. So
Yes.
from here you can find out the length. Yeah.
Hmm.
So this one is the more easier method. You will get the length, then simply put the value in the formula of perimeter, that is twice of length plus breadth. Yeah.
Yes.
So either we can
Yes,
do
sir.
in this method, then you had the alternate method also. where you will require to be first find out the value of radius, then put the value of radius into this 2 pi r.
Hmm. Yes.
Right now, okay. So this method here is more appropriate. All right.
Yes, sir.
Whichever method you like, you can solve it.
Yes.
Okay, I think we should move ahead then. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
All right. Question
Sir,
number.
can I answer it?
Yeah, sure. What is the value?
Sir, 322 centimeters.
322 centimeter. Very good. Okay. So it's twice of 4,224 upon 33 plus 33 here.
Hmm.
33 only. 4,257, right? Okay, so that will give you 322 centimeter. Good. Now,
Yes.
moving on to question number 9. Now, that one is also pretty simple question. The question says
Yes.
that this is
Yes,
road
sir.
roller that takes 750 complete revolutions to move once over to level a road. Okay.
Hmm.
You need to find the area of the road if the diameter of road roller is 84 centimeter and length is 1 meter.
Yes.
Right? Okay. Okay. Would you like to take the screenshot of this one? Take it.
Hmm.
Okay, sir.
I'm sure I have solved this one. So
Mhm.
shall I take a screenshot?
Yeah, you can take the. You will have both the methods. There are two alternate method also is
Hmm.
written over here. So take the screenshot.
Yeah, taken.
Good.
Yes, sir.
Now, question number 9 we are solving. Now, first thing is that write whatever is given in the question. That there's a road roller that takes 750 revolutions. Okay, to level a road. Right? Okay.
Yes.
What else is given? Diameter is given. Diameter was given in the question. That was how much? 84 centimeter.
84.
Yeah. So here you will be required to find the radius. Okay. Then length was also given now. That was, I guess, only 1 centimeter. Is
meter.
it? 1
1
meter,
meter.
no? So you will take it into centimeter. Convert it into centimeter, no?
Hmm.
Okay. Now, what was the question basically asking? The area of the road if the diameter of a road roller is 84 centimeter and length is. You need to find the area of the road. Okay, so how do we do that? So in order to do that, first we will find the area
So
of the road roller, no? Total surface area
yes.
of the road roller.
And then multiply it.
Solution is total surface area of road roller. What is the formula going to be, Arhan?
Yes, sir.
What is the formula? That is the formula, no?
Sir, 2 pi r x.
Okay. But here's the thing, na guys.
You
You
just have to take
need
the
to consider
curve surface
only
area,
lateral
right?
surface area, no? You need to
Hmm.
consider only lateral surface area.
Yes, because the base
Yeah,
area is not coming in
exactly.
contact.
Exactly. Because the base and top is not basically working here. So it's better if you simply take the lateral surface area. So that is 2 pi r into h, right?
264 meters square.
264. Very good. Meter square or centimeter square?
A centimeter square. Yes, yes.
Okay, square centimeter.
It's 264,000 centimeters square.
264,000. Yeah, very good.
Yes, sir.
We can, if you were to convert it into meter, then the unit will be different. Okay.
Yes, 264 that.
But I still kept it in centimeter only. Okay, the
Hmm.
answer is going to be same. So the radius is going to be how much? 42 now? And height is
Yes,
100
sir.
here.
1.
Upon
Yes,
solving,
sir.
you are getting 264,000.
Yes.
That is the value.
Yes, sir.
But if we take it
26,400.
meter, we'll directly get 264.
Directly get to 264. Yeah.
That will be the.
Okay. So the curved surface area, we have find out that. Now, again, if you were to
Multiply.
see here, so this much of area is being leveled by the road in one revolution, no?
Hmm.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
in one revolution, while it takes 750 revolutions, right now.
Sir,
So
we will
hence,
multiply.
Exactly. Total leveled area of road. That is going to be number of total
19 lakh.
revolutions.
Yes,
Very
sir.
good.
Yes,
19
sir.
lakh
And
80,000.
then we convert it to meter square.
Very good. So
Hmm.
750 into 26,400. That gives you how much?
19 lakh 80,000.
198.
Very good. 19 lakh and
80,000. 80.
80,000. Okay,
Yes.
okay.
Yes, sir.
19,800. That's there. There's going to be one more zero.
Yes.
1 lakh and 98,000. Or
Yes, sir.
I think we have done some mistake in the calculation. There's
No,
going to
sir.
be
There is one
more
more
zeros
zero.
now. Yeah, two
So
more
there
zeros.
are 5 zeros.
There are 5 zeros now. So that is the
Yes,
value.
sir.
Okay.
Hmm.
So that value here is in square centimeter. Okay. And if you were to find it in meters square, we know that 1 square meter is equal to what?
One square
So
is to 100
100
into
10
100.
meter.
10,000 square centimeter.
Yes, 100 into 100.
100 into 100
Yes, sir.
basically. Right now.
Hmm.
So you will divide
Yes,
it
sir.
by that value. 19,000. Sorry,
We
not
remove
not
4 zeros.
19,000.
1980 meter
1,
square.
2, 3, 4. Cancel the 4 zeros. So it will be 1980
80
square
meter
meter.
square.
So that is the required answer and the total area of the road that has been labeled. Okay.
Yes.
Now moving on to next
Yes, sir.
question number 10. Okay. So a company packages its milk powder in cylindrical container whose base is of this diameter and height is given. Company places a label around the surface of the container as shown in the figure. Right now. Now if the label is placed 2 centimeter from top and bottom, what is the area of the label? So what you will do
First,
now?
first we
Hmm.
remove 2 centimeters from the height,
Hmm.
from the top and bottom. So it will be height minus 4 centimeter, which is 16 centimeter. And
Good.
then we find the lateral surface area.
Hmm. You will find the lateral surface area of the cylinder first.
Yes.
Right now. Then you will find what? You are required to find what basically question is asking, guys. Area of the
Same.
label.
Yes.
Area of the label.
Level.
So then we can do what in here? Hmm?
We have to find the lateral
So we
surface
will
area.
multiply it by 16.
It with 16 here, no? Okay, since we
Yes,
have
sir.
already got the height of the sticker here. So
Hmm.
simply
Yes, sir.
simply the formula will be 2 pi rh 2 into
Yes.
22 upon 7 and radius is going to be same here.
Hmm.
That is 7
Yes, sir.
centimeter.
7
Right now.
centimeter.
7
Multiplied
into
by
16.
16.
Getting it?
704
Yes, sir.
centimeters.
Okay, very good. So that one is also easy. Move on to exercise 11.4. If you like, you can take the screenshot of question number 9.
Yeah, done.
Okay, sir.
Okay, good. No. Exercise 11.4. The first question is very simple, so I'm leaving it. Okay.
Hmm.
No, the next question. The diameter of cylinder A here is 7 centimeter, while the height is also given, and the diameter and height of second cylinder is also given. Without doing any calculation, you have to suggest the volume of which one is greater here. Now,
B.
look at the formula, guys. Yep. Volume, that is pi r square h, no?
So B.
Yes.
Yeah, B obviously, because
Hmm.
Yes,
here
sir.
you are
B
getting
is
what?
more
You are
radius.
squaring the radius, no? So that will give
Hmm.
you a
Yes, sir.
bigger value. Obviously, option number B has got more volume. Question number 3. You need to find the height of a cuboid whose base area is 180 square centimeter. Volume is this much. That one is also
Hmm.
simple, no?
So
Yes.
5 meter.
5 meter, very good. So base area is 180 square centimeter, meaning what? Length into breadth now.
Yes.
Okay. The length into breadth means it's provided here. How much? Mm, yeah, it's 180 square centimeter. So length
Hmm.
into breadth into height it's how much? 900 cubic centimeter, right now. So
Yes, sir.
180 into height, that is 900 cubic centimeter. Very good,
Hmm.
Arhan. Here you will get height as 5, right now.
Yes.
That is 5 centimeter. Now moving on to next question. Question number 4. What are the values given here? Dimensions are given here. How many
Yes, sir.
small cubes with side 6 centimeter can be placed in the given cuboid? So you will do what? You will find the volume of the cuboid. Now first
Yes, sir.
it will be LBH,
Yes, sir.
right? Then you will find the volume of the cube. That will be 6 cube. That will give
Yes.
you the number of total cubes that can be fitted into this cuboid.
You have to divide.
You have to divide it. Getting it now?
Hmm.
Okay,
Yes,
shall we
sir.
move on? Now, question
Yes,
number
yes, sir.
5. Find the height of a cylinder whose volume is 1.54 cubic meter and diameter of the base is 140 centimeter. Shall we do this one or leave this one? Do tell me.
You can move on. 70 centimeter.
Yes,
Good.
sir.
Okay. Question number 6. There's a milk tank in the form of cylinder whose radius is 1.5 meter here. 1.5 meter is the radius of this cylinder and length is 7 meter. It's also meter here. Okay. You need to find the quantity of milk in liters that can be stored in the tank. It's quite simple. Just find the volume now.
Yes, sir.
Getting it now? Okay, good. Then question number 7.
But
If
sir,
each
in the
edge,
fifth one,
yeah,
we don't
yep.
have the height. How can we do it?
Question number 6 now.
Yes, 6.
Hmm, Radius is given here
Hmm.
and length is 7 meter. This question pi or square h. The radius is given, no? The 7 meter, won't you be taking it as height? Okay,
Yes,
okay.
length.
There's one more thing, na, guys, here. The interesting part here is that you need to find the quantity of milk in liters now. But here the
Yes.
dimensions are
Yes,
given
sir.
in meter. Okay, so let's
Yes,
solve
sir.
this question then. Okay. Now, do you guys remember we talked about volume and capacity right now?
Yes.
Yes,
And
sir.
in that, I told you how the units are converted.
Sir, pi r square multiplied by h.
That is the formula. Here you see 1 cubic centimeter equals to 1 milliliter.
Hmm.
Remember this. Then 1,000 cubic centimeter equals to 1 liter. And this is how much? 10 lakh cubic centimeter
10 lakh.
equals to 1 meter cube.
Yes, sir.
Getting it now?
Yes, sir.
So also 1 cubic meter will be equal to 1,000 liter, right?
Yes.
So in the
The
question, the unit.
49,500 liters.
Okay, very good. So here in the question, the unit is given in meter cube. So you will
Hmm.
be using this conversion. 1 cubic meter equals to 1,000 liter, right now. Or we can say that 1 liter is equal to 1,000 of cubic meter.
Hmm.
Okay,
Yes.
let's move to the question. So question number 6, we were solving. So first write the values that are given in the question. Radius is 1.5 meter. Length is 7 meter. You need to find the volume in liter right now.
Yes.
Okay, would you guys like to give it a try or shall I solve this?
I will try.
Okay, Arhan,
Sir,
give
I've
it a try.
already got the answer.
Got the answer. Very good.
Sir, I've told you.
Yeah, good. So it will come around how much?
Sir, 49,500 liters.
Hmm. Liter now. Here in the meter cube, it will
Yes,
be
sir.
around 49.5, I guess.
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay. And then
Yes,
you will
sir.
convert it. We know 1 meter cube equals to 1,000 liter. Right now.
Yes.
So
Yes,
here
sir.
you will simply multiply it with 1,000. That will be 49500. 49,500 liter. Very good, Arhan. That is correct. Okay. Now,
Hmm.
moving on to next question. Question 11 point. Question number 7. Okay, so the question says that if each edge of a cube is double, how many times will its surface area increase? Give it a try, guys. Solve the first one.
Okay, sir.
In the upcoming test, na guys, you will be having test from 2 chapters now. Okay.
Okay. Hmm.
Okay. So
Yes, sir.
start preparing accordingly.
Yes, sir. Sir, I cannot see your account name in the chat.
Not in the chat.
No,
Okay.
sir.
If you
From
have
which I
solved,
see you.
just tell me the answer.
So the first one is 4 multiplied by 8.
4 multiplied by a. Okay. So the surface area increases 4 times. Okay. Arham, have you got the same answer?
Yes, sir.
Good. Question number 8. See, water is pouring into cuboidal reservoir at the rate of 60 liters
So
per
there are two
minute here.
things. How many times will its volume increase?
In
Yes,
the
sir. Yes, sir.
next one, how many times will its volume increase? That one can also be solved easily, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If no confusion, let's
So
move
8
ahead then.
multiplied by volume.
Yes, sir.
Good. So water is pouring into cuboidal reservoir here at the rate of 60 liters per minute. 60 liters per minute. And the volume of this reservoir is 108 cubic meter. Now you need to find the number of hours it will take to fill the reservoir. Yeah.
Hmm.
Okay. Any idea how do we solve this? And what are the things we
Yes, sir.
observe in this question? You see, the
Sir,
volume is given in cubic meter here now.
yes,
Yes.
sir.
Okay. We will be converting it.
Hmm.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. We will be using 60 liters per minute.
Yeah. 60 liters per minute. Then you will consider for 60 liters per hour.
Hmm.
All right.
Yes.
Okay. So
Yes,
let's
sir.
solve it. Question number. Take the fresh page. Question number 8, right? Now, what are the things given in the question, guys?
The rate
Rate is given.
60
First, write
liters
the
per minute.
volume.
Hmm.
Volume was 108 cubic meter, right?
Yes.
Okay. And then what else was given? Rate at
And
which
the
it
rate.
was filling, no? So,
Yes.
rate of
16
pouring.
liters per minute.
So, it was
Yes,
60
sir.
liter per minute, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, you will first convert it 60 liters per minute. Or what can we say here? You know,
Yes, sir.
it's not, I
Uh,
guess it's a minute or in cubic meters. It's
Per minute.
per minute.
per minute. Okay. Yeah. So we know, guys, that 1 minute equals to 1000 liter. 1 cubic meter equals
Yes,
to
sir.
1000 liter. Right now.
Hmm.
Yes, sir.
So 1 liter will be 1000th of cubic meter. Yeah,
Yes.
Yes, sir.
isn't it? So we can also write it like this: 60 upon 1000 of 1000 liter.
Hmm.
Can we write it like
Yes,
this
Yes. 60
right now?
upon 100.
Yes,
6
sir.
upon 100.
Yeah. So it is 60 per 1000
Hmm.
cubic meter per minute now.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Getting it now?
Yes,
Now,
sir.
anything else given in the question? No.
No, sir.
Okay. Now, what the question is asking, find the number of hours it will take to fill the reservoir. Okay. Find time in hours to fill the reservoir right now. Okay. So it is in 1 minute, how much of the tank is being filled here?
Sir, 1000 by 60 multiplied by 60.
Exactly. First, you will write it like this. You see, 60 upon 1000
1000.
1000 meter cube of water to be filled in tank takes 1 minute. Takes how much time? 1 minute.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, if I were to find out how much of water will be filled in 1 hour,
Hmm.
1 hour, that is 60 minutes. So in
Yes.
1 hour,
Yes,
60 upon 1000 into 60 cubic meter of water will be filled now.
Yes.
sir. Yes, sir.
Right now.
Yes,
Now
Hmm.
sir.
further you see, the question is asking you to find the number of hours it will take to fill the reservoir. Right now,
Hmm.
meaning that
Yes.
this much of water is being filled in 1 hour.
One
Yeah.
hour.
So therefore, 1 cubic meter water will be filled in to fill 1 cubic meter of water in the reservoir. How much time it will take?
Hmm.
It will
Sir,
be,
can you repeat?
in order to if in order to find out how much of water will be filled, how much of water will be filled, if you were to consider it in respect of 1 cubic meter, it would be 1 into 1000 upon 60 into 60. Okay, I forgot to write 60 over here. Okay, it's not 1060. Getting it?
Yes,
Hmm.
sir.
Yes.
So
Yes,
you
sir.
will be canceling it. So it's 10 upon and 36
36.
right now. So that
Hmm.
is how
Yes,
much?
sir. Sir, 30. Sir,
Okay. See if we have done some calculation mistake over here. Yeah. I guess we have done some
you,
calculation mistake. Yeah.
so I guess you were supposed to write 108 cubic meters.
Yeah. Volume we have forgot now.
Yes,
We have
sir.
not taken volume into consideration here now.
Hmm.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 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 Right now. All right. So you see 1 cubic meter is here you will not simply take 108 here right now. So because you have to take the volume also now.
Hmm.
So out
Yes.
of the total volume of the reservoir, 1 cubic in order to fill 1 cubic meter, it will take this much of time. Now, in order to fill 108 meter cube of volume, you have to multiply it with now. So simply multiply it right now.
So
Yes.
30 hours.
30 hours. So okay, okay, we almost forgot about the volume here. Okay, so that is the question, guys. So with
Yes.
this, the chapter finishes, right?
Yes. Sir.
Okay, take the screenshot.
Yeah, taken.
Yeah, good. Now, we are still left with 25 more minutes. So we will start the new chapter today. Are you guys okay with that?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good.
Yes, sir.
Huh. The chapter, next chapter, I guess it was exponents
Exponents
and
and
powers,
powers.
right? No?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Chapter
Hmm.
12.
chapter number 12. Very good. So in this chapter, what are the things we are going to learn? We will be defining laws of exponents as a whole number, right now. You
Yes.
guys have studied about squaring the numbers, finding the cubes of number, finding the
Yes,
square
sir.
root and cube roots of the number. So it will be you guys will be able to relate with the concept. Okay.
Hmm.
Yes, sir.
So in the chapter, the things which you are going to learn are what are exponents. All right. Then powers, which has got negative exponents. Then the laws of exponents and how you use exponents to express small numbers in standard form. And then we will be comparing large and very large numbers and small numbers as well.
So
Right
I have
now.
two things to say.
Yeah.
When is the mensuration test?
Mensuration test.
Hmm.
No, it will not be from mensuration. It will be in a sequence manner. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Sir, when is that test?
You guys will be reminded before the test. Okay.
And I had a doubt, right? In 11.2, that
Phoenix.
trapezium one question.
Okay, okay. I remember. I remember. There was the question, this question, no?
Yes, yes,
Yeah, I just remember that. Okay. So look here. The figure was something like this, if I remember correctly. Yeah. So in
yes,
this, no, you were to basically divide the figure into two. So you were getting two trapeziums here,
yes.
trapezium one and trapezium two. And in the
Hmm.
second case, now you are getting a triangle and a square here. Okay. And
Yes.
the dimensions were already given. So you
Hmm.
simply find the area of the two trapeziums, add them, area of this triangle and the area of the square, then add them. Would you like me
Yes.
to switch back to that question?
Yeah.
Okay, okay, okay. Sure. So 11.2, right?
Yes. 11.2 sixth question.
This was 11.2, question number,
6.
not 6, I guess it was question number 10 here.
Yes.
This question here, no?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Right. So here, no, Kavita and Jyoti have drawn their own diagrams in order to find the area. So
Hmm.
Jyoti's diagram is like this, in which she has divided the figure into two trapeziums, right now. Trapezium
Yes.
1 and trapezium 2. So here it's 15 meter, here 15 meter, here also 15 meter, while this common side was of 30 meter. And you already know the formula to find the area of trapezium is half multiplied sum of the opposites parallel sides multiplied by the
Hmm.
height. Okay.
Yes.
Now the question was that what would be the height here?
So
Hmm?
the area of trapezium is half height upon 2 and sum of parallel sides, right?
Yeah, exactly. That is what I'm saying. Half into a plus b into height.
Yes.
Half the sum of opposite parallel sides multiplied the height, the distance between them.
Hmm.
So a is here 15, b here is 30 here, right? Now half into 15
Yes.
plus 30, then the height. So height will be just half of 15 meter here,
Yes.
right? Now
Yes.
15
7.5.
upon 2, 7.5. Okay, so the first one is clear. The second
Hmm.
one, here what are we getting here? The full length is 30 meter.
30.
This much is 15 meter. So this much length will also be 15 meter, no? 13 minus
Yes.
50, right
Hmm.
now. So you have got the height, and the base is how much? Base is also 15 now.
15.
So it's half into 15 simply. Okay,
Yes.
225 upon 2, 112.5. Getting it now. Then
Hmm.
the area of a square, area simply side multiplied side, that is 15 into 15, that is
Yes.
225, right now. So
Hmm.
we got it to be 237.5 square centimeter, right now. I hope
Yes.
it's clear now.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good.
So today we have to send the notes, right?
Yeah, send the notes also, notes of the
Hmm.
class. Okay, and I will also be sharing the PPT, but once first I want to see you see your notes.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
right. So in the chapter exponents and powers, we'll be talking about the laws of exponents. Okay,
Hmm.
the laws of exponents as a whole number. Okay, so you will
Yes,
be
sir.
seeing numbers like 2 raised to the power 2, 2 raised to the power 3, not 2 raised to the power 1 upon 2, or not 2 raised to the power 5 upon 6 like this. We will
Yes.
only talking about whole numbers here, 2, 3 like this. Getting it now? Okay. Then we will be understanding the concepts of powers and exponents as positive or negative integers. Getting it now?
Yes.
So you will be having numbers like this, 2 raised to the power minus 3, 2 raised to the power minus 6 as well. These are negative powers. Okay, getting it?
Hmm.
Okay, then let's start the chapter. Then we will start the chapter, but we will do a little exercise first. Yeah, that is related to the background of the chapter, guys. Now,
Yes.
you guys already know that if a is a non-zero integer and n is a natural number, so if you were to keep on multiplying the a with itself up to n times, up to 100 times, up to 200 times, up to 300 times, so on, and up to nth times. Okay, this n could be
Yes.
any natural, any whole number, and here is any whole number starting from 0 to infinity. So how
Yes.
do you represent it? You can simply represent it as a raised to the power n.
N.
where this a is being called as the base. Getting it now?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
And here is the exponent.
Ex-
Power.
Yeah, power that we call as exponent here, right?
yes.
So that is clear here. Now let's try to express some of the numbers as powers. For example, 256 represented as power of 2. So how do you do that? It will be 2 into 2, right? Then
Yes.
2, again 2,
Hmm.
again 2, and again 2. 2 into 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 64 into 128, and then 2. So how many 2's
256.
are there? Count the
9.
number of 2's here. 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 here, no?
Yes, 8. Hmm.
Okay. 2 2's are 4, 4 2's are 8, 8 2's are 16, 16 2's are 32, 32 2's are
64.
64, 64 2's are
128.
128, 128 2's are 256. So 2 raised to the power 8 is equal to 256. Okay.
Yes.
Likewise, represent the other numbers also. Take question D. Okay, and take question number B. Solve this quickly.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. Sir, I won't it take too much time?
No, it should not take too much time. Simply no, your multiplication power has to be good. 6 into 6, 36, 36 into 308, 100, and 8 into 6, 648, like this, right now.
Hmm.
Sir, can I answer it? The
Yeah,
first one.
sure. Just answer it.
So 3 raised to the power 7 equals to 2187.
Okay. Okay, let's check it. Okay, good. That is correct. Okay. Aram, what about you?
Yes, I'm doing.
Yeah.
So that's D is 6 raised to the power 4 is
Exactly.
19.
Exactly.
Um,
Exactly. Right now. So it is simply 6 into 6 into 6 into 6. That is the
yes.
square of 36. That is 296. It means 6 raised to the power 4, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Now, question number 2 that we will also give it a try. The
Hmm.
first one, in order to express it as the product of power of its prime factor. So 540 can be written like this.
Yes.
540 equals to 3 into 180, then 3 into 3, then 3 into 3 into 60. Okay, like this you can break it. Right, so you are getting 3 raised to the power 3 multiplied 2 raised to the power 2 multiplied 5 raised to the power 0 here. Sorry, 1 here. Right.
1, 2.
So 540 we have represented it as the product of its prime factor here. Likewise, you can solve other ones also. Solve question
I
number C.
didn't understand it.
Here you have
Okay,
to
sir.
express the number as the product of the power of its prime factors. So the prime factorization has been done now. We have done prime factorization here.
Yes.
Yeah. So this is the prime factorization we have got here. So you
Hmm.
represent it as the multiplication of powers of the products here, powers of the prime factor.
Yes.
Getting it? Now that is simple here. Okay, solve question number C. 1080. Find its prime factors and represent it in terms of multiplication of power of prime factors.
So we can use any number.
Yeah, we can use any number starting from 2.
Okay.
Like, let me give you a hint. To multiply 540, but you need to come to the simplest number, to the prime numbers here.
Hmm.
Okay. Look, Anna, it has become very simple here. I have given you a brilliant hint here. Hmm? What you guys can do? Okay, first solve it, then I will be telling you.
Yes, sir.
So the answer is 2 square multiplied by 3 square multiplied by 5.
No, that is not correct here, because the prime factorization of 540, if you were to see, it will be 3 raised to the power 3 cube into 2 square into 5. This is now here already given here. The prime factorization of 540 is already here. So simply write it over here now and multiply it with 2. Yeah, isn't
Yes.
it? So
Yes,
3
sir.
raised to
Yes,
the power
sir.
3 into 2 raised to the power 3 into 5 raised to the power 1. Getting it,
Yes,
guys?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay, okay.
sir.
That's how you're required to solve it. Okay, shall we move ahead then, or would you like to solve some more questions? I guess that will work. Yeah,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
remember the
Yes, sir.
concept about. Okay, now question number 3. In this, you have got an interesting power table here right now. So for number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, a table is being provided here. Okay,
Yes.
and x here is basically exponent.
Hmm.
Okay, and the bases are given 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So if you were to keep changing the exponents of the number, for example, 3 raised to the power 1 will be 3 here, 3 raised to the
Hmm.
power 2 will be 9, then 27, right now,
Yes.
and so on and on. So let's complete the table, then you will be able to understand the pattern right now. So it will be
Yes.
3, 9, 27, and then do tell me, 3 raised to the
So
power 4
81.
is
81.
81,
So
then
81.
243.
I said 243.
Okay,
Hmm.
then you get as
So
729 na?
729.
Good. Then it is 2187,
Yes, sir.
right now. Then it is 3 raised to the power 8, that is how much?
So 6561.
Very good. Okay, let's just stop there then. Now, right for 4, 4. So it's going to be 4, then 16,
So 16.
then 64, then
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
256. Then it will be
Yes.
1024,
1024.
right now. Then it is
Hmm.
4096. Okay,
96.
then it will be 16,000 something. That is 16,384,
Yes,
I
sir.
guess, right?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
Hmm.
then 4 is to the power 8. What do we see here?
So
That is going to be how much?
65,536.
536.
36.
Okay, we can continue as well, but let's stop there. Okay, now let's write for another number 5. So it's 5, then 25, then
Yes.
125, like 625, right now. Then
Yes.
3125,
Hmm.
and then
So 50,625.
15,625. And then
So
what about 5?
70,125.
How much?
So 70,125.
125. Okay, then
Um,
then what else are we getting? It will be
so 390, 39,000.
39,625.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So there are some patterns in which you can observe here right now. One thing you will not notice here, if you were to see the ones digit in the power of 2's table.
Hmm.
Take for example, ones digits are 2, 4, 8, and 6 here. There's a
Yes.
repeating
Yes,
pattern
sir.
here. 2, 4,
Yes, sir.
8, 6. If you were to continue further, right now, if you were to find the, if you were to put exponent power 9, if it were
Hmm.
to put the exponent power 9, then the value you will be getting will be 512. Okay,
Yes.
so the pattern is repeating itself now. Look here, guys. Look at this carefully. 2486. Okay, again 2486. Right now, again it starts from 2. If you were to put
Yes,
exponent
sir.
as 9, so that is the
Yes.
Yes, sir.
repeating pattern here we can see. Now look for next table. A table of 3. It's 3971,
Hmm.
3971,
Can you
and
repeat the
3971.
first four?
Yeah. So the first four digits are repeating itself. 3971. Getting it now?
Sir, the next is 4646.
4646. That keeps repeating itself. 4646, 46, and 46. Right?
Hmm.
Okay. So in this case, now you will be able to predict the ones digit if you have got the power raised to 12, raised to 17, raised to 100 even. Getting
Hmm.
it now?
Yes.
Okay. What about other numbers also? Up to 4 we have seen. For 5, it's same
It's
in
all
every
five.
case.
Hmm.
It's same. It's going to be 5. Right now. We can do it for 6 also.
Yes.
Yep. We can do it for 7. Other number up to 10 also. So the patterns are going to be different for different numbers. Okay,
Yes,
we
sir.
can't derive a common link between all the numbers. Everyone has got different patterns here, right? Yeah. So let's try to predict the power of 4 raised to the 12 and what is the unit going to be.
Hmm.
Find the ones digit in the following. 4 raised to the power 12. Yeah. Okay. So you will simply write it like this. 4 raised to the power 1 was how much, guys? 4 now. 4 is to
Yes.
the power. We are talking about only ones digit, okay? Not the full
Hmm.
number I'm writing here. 4, then 6, then 4, then 6, 4,
Hmm.
6, 4, 6, 4, 6. Right now. So it was 4
Yes.
to the power 3, 4 to the power 4, 4 is to the power 5, then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So 4 is to the
Hmm.
power 12. That will give you a value in which unit digit is going to be 6. Yeah.
Six.
So
Yes.
like this, you can answer it. Similarly, for the next number, that is 3. Yeah.
Hmm.
What was the value we were getting?
Three
Sir,
nine seven one.
yes, sir.
3971. 71.
7-1.
3971. Good. 3971. Then again, 3971 was repeating. So you
Yes.
can
Yes,
simply
sir.
write it 3971, 3971 as many times as you like as per
Hmm.
the question. Now count it is up to 17. Okay. So write some more 3971. 3971. I hope you have got enough. Now
Yes,
start
sir.
counting from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Right now. So 3 raised to
Hmm.
the power 17 will give you a value in which the unit digit is going to be 3.
Three.
Right?
Yes, sir.
So likewise, you can solve it. Okay. So question number, try solving question number 5 here. Or is
Yes,
that
sir.
a too
Okay,
big,
sir.
big number? Okay, leave that. Solve for question number 3.
Sir, it will be 5.
Obviously, it will be 5.
Five.
Very good. Right now, likewise, we can do it for bigger numbers also. Getting it now?
Yes.
Okay, but we will have to write the patterns for all the numbers. Then you will be
Hmm.
able to answer it. Right now?
Yes.
Okay, so at your home, try to find out patterns for 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, and up to 12. We have done up to 4, up to
Okay, sir.
5. So for 5 to 12, try to find the pattern of the power table. Getting it now?
Okay,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Okay. So in the next class, guys, we'll be starting from the introduction to the chapter. We have already known what is powers and what is base and exponent. These are the two parts of
Yes, sir.
when a number is raised to the power. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so to the power to which it has been raised, that will be its exponent, and the number here it is simply called as base. Getting it now? Then you will
Yes,
be
sir.
also
Yes, sir.
studying about powers which are having negative exponents. How do we represent that? Yeah. So that
Sir, the value will be same at the end, but it will be negative.
will not be negative now. It will be basically get reciprocal of
Yes,
the
sir.
number.
If
Okay.
the
Hmm.
if the power